Hi there, my name is Crystal Lee, and this is my 15-1-12 term project. So I created a game called PokeArcade, which is essentially a mashup of both Pokemon and a popular game in Korea known as Crazy Arcade, or commonly known as Bomberman. So first I'll be demonstrating the single player mode of the game. So as you see, we have two options here, single and multiplayer. I'll go ahead and start single player. So the objective of the game is to use the different Pokemon attacks to break blocks. You drop the attacks near the opponent to lower their health, and it will make more sense as we play the game. So we can use the arrow keys and spacebar to navigate our single player. And these are just some power boosts that help elevate gameplay, so you can increase the number of attacks, increase the length of your attack splash, or increase your health. So we'll get started. We can choose a Pokemon. I'll go ahead and choose Bulbasaur. So I start here as Bulbasaur, and we have a computer player who's playing as Squirtle, and the Squirtle, or the computer player, is automatically generated. So I'll just get close to the Squirtle, and I can collect these power boosts. And as you can see, the power boost increased my splash path, so now the Squirtle tries to attack me. It basically uses the A-star tracking algorithm to find the shortest path to the player, so me, and if it sees a bomb like here, it'll run away from it, as you just saw. Also the map, so the blocks that we saw at the beginning of the video, and the power-ups under the blocks are all randomly generated at each game. And then once I lose, I go to the lose screen. If I had won the game, it would go to the win screen. Okay, now I will be demonstrating the multiplayer mode of Sockets. So here we have 3 different users who I will be playing, and all of these users are connected to the multiplayer server right here, and they're all connected via Sockets. So I will go ahead and click multiplayer mode for all 3 users, and once we're ready, I'll just click enter on one of the screens. And now we've initialized 3 different screens. So the left user here is Squirtle, the middle user is Charmander, and the right user is Bulbasaur. And these are all randomly generated. So now that there's a path, I will play. Notice that when one player is attacked, their health is updated across all the user screens. Similar to single player mode, the attack damages are calculated based on the Pokemon type. So here, I'm Charmander, and fire is more effective on grass, so the damage is a little higher than if it had been the other way around. Okay, so Charmander had won, so now the Charmander screen displays the win screen, and since Bulbasaur and Squirtle lost, it displays the lose screens. And that is the end of my demo. Thanks for watching.